Hello everyone, my name is Max. I'm the CEO of docu, and in this video I want to quickly explain you how 360-degree images work in our software. For this reason, I've opened already a plan and a pin, as you can see here. And within this pin, you can already see two 360 degrees images. There's also a normal image, as you can see here. So these images are handled just as normal images. You can also click on them if you want to open them. The only slight difference is that you have now a viewer where you can view the 360-degree image as you should or you would like to. You can also zoom in or out with the mouse. You can also use these buttons here on the bottom to move or zoom. And additionally, on the top right, we have a full screen mode, which is very handy in my opinion. You can also zoom in here and out, and whenever you're done, you can just click here on the top right and exit the full screen view again. A part of that, the photo, as I already mentioned, is handled as a normal photo, so you can download it, all the other features that you would have also with the normal photo in docu. In the next step, now I want to explain you how to create these photos on site and connect the camera to the app so that works. Now, you need an Insta360 camera, and then you swipe down on the display, go to the settings, search for the Wi-Fi settings, click on them, and in the Wi-Fi settings you now find the name of the device and the password. Both are now crucial for the next step. So in the docu app, you go to the user settings, there you can scroll down to 360-degree camera, and here you now type in the name of the camera as well as the password. The app will now connect to the camera via Wi-Fi. This is important to know because you will lose your Wi-Fi connection to your normal internet. So if you don't have cellular on your phone, which usually you have, but for your tablet you might not have, you have to make sure that the projects or plans you want to use are downloaded in advance. So now the system is connecting. You will see now, once it's completed, there's like a green notification from the top. You can now go back and open one of your plans and, as usual, create a pin. I'll do that now briefly. I'll set a pin here, and then let me move it in the middle of the room. And I will give it a name, 360 degree, save. I will change briefly the category to defect. And now on the bottom right, you see a 360 degree image. And when you click on it, you now are in the live view of the camera. Yeah. So whenever you feel confident, you just press photo. Now the photo is actually downsized and transferred to the app. You can now take a look on it. You can also on the top right press retake if you're not satisfied. You can zoom in, Then you can also add a text, and then if you're satisfied, save it to the image, to your pin. In the pin, you can open it now. Again, move around, zoom. You have more options to download it or edit it or deactivate it. Very typical for same as all other pictures. And eventually, you need to sync as usual your data. In terms of the reports, they automatically include the 360-degree images. They look like this. They're normal JPEGs, in case you wonder. They somewhat look like a panoramic image and will be also displayed automatically without any need of any change in your normal reports. Yeah, that's all about the reports. In the media view of each project, you will now also find all 360-degree images. You can, as usual, open them. You have the same viewer as you would open them in a pin, all the classic functionality. And of course, you can also download here all files as usual. Yeah, so we added those 360-degree images to this view as well. So in order to summarize everything, first of all, the new 360-degree image feature is exclusively available for Insta360 cameras. in particular the X3, the X4, or the brand new one, the X5. We've tested all of these cameras from Insta360. Additionally, I have to say, in the beginning of the research phase from this new feature, we tested various suppliers, but due to various reasons, we eventually agreed on only exclusively to support the Insta360 because it's just for us the best camera on the market in this field. Secondly, the connection is always via Wi-Fi to the app, so please make sure that you have downloaded the projects or plans you want to use, because you might not have internet. Only if you have a SIM card in your device, then you will still have the mobile connection. Yeah, the users in the user settings, you can always connect the camera to the device. There's also a save camera feature, so when you first time use the camera, you have to type in the password and the name, but for the next connection, you just have to go to the user settings. The name and password will be saved there, so you just have to press connect again. Yeah, the automatic photo downsizing. So usually the photos of these cameras are 20 megabyte plus, so we automatically reduce the size to around 4 megabyte just to save storage. We assume that our users will take a lot of pictures, so that's why we downsize it, but the quality is still the same. Yeah, and last but not least, a little recommendation. As you can see in this image of myself to the right, I use like this helmet mount for my camera. It came in particularly handy during my first site inspection, because I just had my hands free. I had my tablet with me and I could just walk for an hour or two with the camera always available. So I could take normal pictures in some pins, then I created other pins where I took 360-degree images. It was just super handy, and also the battery lasted easily for an hour. Yeah, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you the next time. Ciao, bye.